I have a question for you.
What?
Did you hear the orchestra earlier?
No.
The bird orchestra.
Ah, yes.
Come with me. Who's making all this noise?
The birds.
These sons of bitches here? You're telling me these birds are making all those noise?
Yeah. They are loud.
Ivy, you know your job.
They can hurt your eardrums. I was trying to do a count. See how many is in the pages.
Uh, it's still dark in the room.
Mm-hmm.
I can't do a bird count on that side.
It looks like 4 over there.
There's 4 over there.
Oh, okay.
The rest are here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that how many there's supposed to be? 11?
No, I think there's supposed to be 13.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where's the mother?
Oh, seriously?
I know, the mother's obviously in there. Oh! 12, 13.
Where?
1, 2, 3. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10, 11, 12,
13.
13.
They're all there.
Freaking 13 birds.
I thought we had 14. I guess not.
No, we didn't have 14, we had 13.
That's
We probably
12
would have
birds
had,
too many.
we probably would have had a lot more. We didn't build. We would have had 14, but
One died.
no, Dad got rid of some eggs because that would have been like 16 or 18.
Oh, well, yeah. It went to a good home.
No. One of them. Yeah, we would have had 14 though. But one of them went to a home. But now, there's 9 in there, and 4 in there, and one of the cats,
A dog.
and a dog, and a mom, and an Aussie. And a Houdini right there. Where's the Houdini cat? I spotted a Houdini. I don't know why he's so hard. Why it's so hard to see with this camera. Houdini's right there, but you can't see him. It seems like dark areas don't really match well.
What do you mean?
Like, you can't see her on the screen. It's like black.
Yeah. You want to turn those lights on over there? The little blue lights?
No, it's not going to make a difference.
Well,
No, I'm saying it's not going to make a difference. That's just how it is. Ivy, you're a pain. Look outside. There's snow on the ground still. I guess that makes sense though, it is February. Ivy, you little whore. You're so cute, but a pain in my butt. Ozzy.